Hello friends, good evening. How are you all? Welcome to my channel Archie Chowdhury. It's so good to be here again with you all. I'm so happy people are just joining and it's making me happy. People have started commenting on my videos. People have started benefiting with all these videos and the topics which I'm sharing. I'm so glad that people are benefiting and I'm a good source for them to know some home remedies, some ancient remedies and some natural remedies and natural facials and all. So friends, today I was using lime or lemons, whatever you can get in your place or your country. Over here I get lemons and limes, so I've used today and I'll show you what are the uses of this lime and what and all I do. I do so much things, friends. You'll come to know when I'm showing you. So let's get started. So friend, you asked me what can I do to get like this kind of nails. I don't do much. I have posted a YouTube video where I've done my manicure because I've not done my manicure in. I just did manicure once outside in the salon, but the rest I do there and I've posted a video over there. And my tip is just to rub lemon after you're finished using. Just keep rubbing for half an hour to all your nails. Today I'll be showing you all the good uses of lemon or lime, whatever you say, wherever you get lemons. In America we get lemons also, limes also. So now I've taken a lime or a lemon. Just squeeze this. Just after squeezing everything, just flip it. Do like this. Take out all the chunks. So friends, here we have cleaned off it completely. Here is the chunk which I took out. We'll be using this also. We'll be using the chunks also. So now I'll just add some oil. So friends, I've taken cotton. I've longed it. It was just a this cotton. I've just made it long. You just take out this into two parts and put it inside your palms. So now in the palms I've just done this, and this you keep it over here like this. This is the other one, and now again I'm going to rub in between my palms, and here's a cotton wick, and this is for the second one. Now I'll take ghee. Friends, I've taken matchbox. I'll be lighting it. It litted, and here it is. I'm burning the wick. Oh, the oil is less, it looks, yeah, it burnt. Yeah, see, it's glowing so well. So now I lit the second one, and with this all your bugs and all will just vanish off, friends. They'll not like the smell of this one. I'm letting the second one now. So with all this, the insects don't like the smell of ghee and all this. I don't know why the second one is taking time. Oh, it litted. I'm so happy. And friends, these are cloves, which is even called in Hindi as long. This is long, which put in all chicken and all the lentils and all. This is how the long looks, the cloves look. So we need to add three cloves in each oil, because the insects don't like the very harsh smell. So I put three for each, and how nicely this one is glowing so well. This is the first hack that all the insects and all the bees and all just vanish off from your house, and this is very good for winter and summer. Friends, over here I've added whole cloves. Over here I have ground cloves. So this is the chunk which I got it from all this one. So I just add a little bit of cloves because the insects will not like this. So this is how you need to sprinkle it, and just keep it for some time and just mix it well. So you see the house is smelling so good. You need to mix it like this. Friends, here I have lemon peels which I had saved it. And these I have dried from 4 or 5 days. Now I'll puree them and use it on my face. And your face, you know, I have already done facial. So friends, you saw how many things I do, and lemon or lime is a very good thing. whatever I do, whenever I get limes or lemons, I squeeze off all the juice and store it in one bottle in the fridge and use it whenever I want, and it makes my work so easy. And I have already showed you how I make lemon fried rice and lemon rice in my previous videos. I hope you all must have liked that video and enjoyed the dish because it is so yummy. So it is a very good dish, friends. So now all this uses about lime or lemon, it makes your skin glow. It reduces cholesterol. It is very good for arthritis pain. And if you rub a lemon on your face, it takes away all the sunburns and all. And I use the lemon skin or lime skin for my nails also, and my nails are real nails, and I don't do outside. I've not put artificial nails. I just change my color every 3 or 4 days, and I do weird colors also, as you must have seen, but that's what I am. And applying nail polish makes me very happy, so I do all this. And you have used how I use lemon and limes water in my facials also. Sorry friends about that sound. Somebody was cutting their grass outside, so that is what that sound was. So you'll have to excuse me for that. And yeah, I was talking about facials. It's very good to add yogurt and lime and lemon, and I've showed you even the dry skin of a lemon, how you can puree it and use that a pinch of it and make this one. And you can use oil also of vitamin C, and it will give you a good glow. You can add that powder for almond oil or coconut oil, whichever oil you want to put on your face, you can add that and make your own vitamin C oil. And vitamin C oil is so expensive. When I went to check on Amazon or in Walmart, but it was very expensive. Then I said, oh no, I can make it on my own with almond milk or clarified butter, which is called ghee also. So you can use a lot, friends. And once you put lemon and cloves together, like how I showed you in the video too, all the bugs and insects also will be far away, and flies don't come and stick into your kitchen and all if you're worried about the flies. So that also will help, friends. So I fumble a lot, you should excuse me for that. And because I don't plan what I'm going to do, I just do whatever the things come in front of me and what I feel that I have not spoken about it. So I just make an attempt to do everything what I feel and whatever I know I want to share with you all, as I love you all so much, friends. So it's very good for arthritis pain, acne, and if you take this regularly, you can lose a lot of weight. But you should drink it in warm water early in the morning on an empty stomach. Honey, lemon, just mix it and drink it. That's one more tip of lime or lemon, friends. So friends, I hope you liked all these uses of my lemon today and lime. So if you have liked it, like it, share it, and subscribe it. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.